Hello friends! Let's learn, play, and grow. This is car. A four-wheeled motor vehicle used for personal transportation. This is bus. A large motor vehicle that carries many passengers along a fixed route. This is truck. A motor vehicle used to transport goods and materials. This is motorcycle. A two-wheeled motor vehicle for one or two riders. This is bicycle. A two-wheeled vehicle powered by pedaling. This is ambulance. A vehicle used to transport sick or injured people to the hospital. This is police car. A vehicle used by police officers for patrol and emergency response. This is fire truck. A large vehicle carrying firefighters and equipment to extinguish fires. This is train. A series of connected vehicles running on rails to transport people. This is Jeep. A strong, four-wheel drive vehicle for rough terrain. This is limousine. A luxury car with a long body and partition between driver and passengers. This is ATV, all-terrain vehicle. A vehicle designed for off-road use. This is bulldozer. A heavy machine with a large blade for pushing earth or debris. This is excavator. A large vehicle used for digging and construction. This is forklift. A small industrial vehicle for lifting and moving materials. This is cement mixer truck. A truck that mixes and transports concrete. This is garbage truck. A vehicle used to collect and transport waste. This is tow truck. A vehicle used to move disabled or illegally parked cars. This is golf cart. A small electric vehicle used on golf courses. This is skateboard. A board with wheels ridden by pushing with one foot. This is tractor. A vehicle used in farming to pull machinery or trailers. This is rickshaw. A small, three-wheeled vehicle often used as a taxi in Asia. This is cart. A vehicle with 2 or 4 wheels pulled by humans. This is horse carriage. A carriage pulled by 1 or more horses. This is tank. A heavily armored fighting vehicle used by the military. This is airplane. A powered flying vehicle with wings and engines. This is helicopter. A flying vehicle with rotating blades for vertical takeoff and landing. This is glider. A lightweight aircraft that flies without an engine. This is hot air balloon. A balloon that flies by heating air inside it. This is seaplane. An airplane that can take off and land on water. This is drone. An unmanned aerial vehicle controlled remotely. This is rocket. A vehicle propelled by engines used for space travel. This is boat. A small vessel for traveling on water. This is ship. A large vessel used to transport people or goods across seas. This is yacht. A luxury boat for recreation or racing. This is submarine. A watercraft capable of operating underwater. This is sailboat. A boat propelled by sails and wind. This is speedboat. A fast motorized boat for sport or recreation. This is hovercraft. A vehicle that glides over water on a cushion of air. This is canoe. A narrow boat paddled by hand. This is jet ski. A small, motorized watercraft ridden like a motorcycle. This is tugboat. A small, powerful boat that pulls or pushes ships. This is barge. A flat-bottomed boat used to carry heavy goods. This is cable car. A cabin suspended and moved by cables, often in mountains. This is snowplow. A vehicle equipped to remove snow from roads. This is camper van. A van equipped for living or sleeping while traveling. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome content. See you in the next one.